This is a demonstration on how to adjust the extender pole. When you get to the job site, adjust your pole for that ceiling's height. Remove the bail, take out the pin, adjust the pole to the proper length for your ceiling, reinsert the pin and secure with the bail. To attach a 3/8 inch drill, loosen the chuck and insert the hex driver to the pole. Tighten the chuck. You are now ready to use the extender pole. Control the drill with one hand and the pole with the other. This is a demonstration on how to hang wire with the extender pole. To hang wire, you will need ceiling wire and eye-lag screws. Adjust the pole for your particular ceiling. Take up to 10 ceiling wires and bend them over at about a 90-degree angle. Insert them into the slot of the pole. Take an eye-lag and insert it into the wire head. Thread one of the wires through the eye and bend the wire down. Position the screw on the ceiling and screw it in. Pull down so that both sides of the wire remain in the head. Retwist and lower the pole. The telescoping extender pole can be used to hang jack chain safely from the floor. You will need eye-lag screws, S-hooks, and jack chain cut to the proper length. Lower the ring on the wire head of the extender pole using a 1/16 Allen wrench. Use pliers to assemble the S-hook to the eye-lag. Insert the jack chain into the slot to keep it from whipping as the pole is rotated. Then insert the eye-lag into the head of the pole. Position the screw onto the ceiling. Screw it in slowly to prevent the chain from whipping. Lower the pole. The extender pole with its interchangeable heads can be used to install pre-cut threaded rod from the floor. Several companies manufacture screws with internal female threads for hanging a 1/4 by 20 or 3/8 by 16 threaded rod. The extender pole works with most of them. Before installation, consult the manufacturer's specifications and choose the screw that meets your needs. Select the appropriately sized open-ended socket plug for the screw you are installing. Cut your threaded rod to the proper length. Assemble the rod to the screw. Load the assembly into the extender pole. Position the screw onto the ceiling and install. The base and socket plug of every extender pole features an anti-torque design. It is impossible to over-torque the screw. Pull down to remove the rod from the pole. Use the extender pole to hang rod above stairwells, through ceiling grid, or into tight spaces.